I'm Maithili and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, please ignore the mess that is going on in the background. Today's video is going to be all about packing for a trip that I'm going to this week. I've got a lot of things to do, so I thought why not make a video about it so for you guys to see. So most of the video is going to be I'm gonna voice over it, or else I'll just add time lapses, but I'll try and make sure that it is satisfying and not boring. Also try to guess the place that I'll be going to. There might be a few hints here or there in the video itself. It is not a beach place, so that's ruled out for you. It is also not an international trip. It is easier now to figure out, or not, maybe. If you guess it right, please type in the comment down below. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, you already know the drill. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.